everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your messenger not sending your messages problem. Before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with your friends and family, and we will just simply now start our video. So the reasons for that problem to occur can be many and can be the most obvious one as well, because if your network connection is not so good and it's kept on being on and off in between, that could be one of the reasons as well. So what you will do is you will simply switch to your mobile data instead, and if it's still not working, you can again go to your Wi-Fi, switch to another Wi-Fi connection that you have available on your phone. If this doesn't help you, then what you will do is you will simply go to your Play Store and check if your app is updated or not, if it is lagging or having that error because it's not updated. So you will simply search the messenger over here, and as you can see in my case, my app is updated. So if your app is updated, you will see this open option instead of update, and if it's still not fixing your problem, then the only thing that you can do is simply report a problem to Facebook Messenger. So you will simply just go to your messenger, tap on this three horizontal line above, go to settings, and you will scroll down, and then you will find this option called report technical problem. Tap on it. Here you will tap on this report problem option, tap on this include, and here you can see this takes this screenshot of it. You can just tap on this X, and instead you can simply just add in your other screenshot of your problem. Simply here you can simply tap on this camera roll option, and you can add the particular screenshot over there, and then you can have this what's the problem related to as well. Simply search this chats option. Here you can write your message like, hey, that I'm not being able to send any of messages not being sent, please look into it as soon as possible, thank you. So you can write a simple message to the Facebook Messenger, and then you can simply tap on this option called send over here, and then your report will be sent to the Facebook Messenger, and then they will consider it, and after a while your problem will be solved. You can simply again go back to your messenger, and you can use it as you would like to, and try to send your messages as well. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope this video has given you the answers of your questions. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.